quick little video on this 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Doing a fan blower resistor, which, I mean, that part of it is easy. It's got this, the old one. It's got 2 screws there. 7/32. Pop them off. So silver head. So you take them off. At Toyota dealership, it comes with a new harness. Here's the harness. That's the part number for the resistor. So get the resistor up there, and then you know, visually, as soon as I saw it, just with my own mechanic eyes, you know, they were just color coded. They were just, you know, they're not the same color, but you kind of tell green on the old, green and yellow goes to green on the new. I have a blue and black. You know, you think, oh, we just go to blue. This is a white and blue. Gets into a solid white, and then that one is a white and black, and that one's a white and black. The only thing that threw me off was the gauges are different. So that blue right here is a bigger gauge than this blue and black. You know, the white wires coming out of the car are bigger gauges than the yellow and green and blue and black. But this is the way it works, and put it on, test it. I haven't, obviously, you know, I just want to make sure it works. And the way I test it is gonna go from low to high, and just stick my ears here and listen. It gradually just goes, you know, the fan goes higher and higher. But yeah, this is, you know, logically, I mean, color-wise it fits, gauge-wise it seems like it's incorrect, but this is from what the dealer says, and this is what they gave me without the actual schematics. Was kind of off, but on the old, that's what they're supposed to be. On the new, 1, 2 is low and high, 3 and 4 is supposed to be M2, M1. So there you go. Good luck.